What is up, YouTube? It's your friendly neighborhood stoner, Fat fucking Rob, and today we're doing an unboxing. It finally came. Fat Rob's Presso by Rosineer. A new press came out, sponsored. This is the unboxing video. We'll take it out. We'll look at it. We'll turn it on. See how she's set up. Box. Oh, here you go. Presso, personal rosin press machine. They're going for about $250 off of their website, Rosineer. Heat press instruction manual. Boom, boom, boom. Wow. Nice and heavy. She probably weighs about 10 pounds. She heats up the bottom and the top. Go around and get some video footage of it. Plug this bad boy in and see how she's rocking and socking. Alright, let's plug her in and see her turn on. Oh, they already got the power on. You can see the temperature on the upper and the lower. Take the front plastic off when you're gonna press. Looks like she squeezes a nug to probably an 8 pretty easily. Let those heat up, see if they work, and that'll do it for the unboxing video. Looking very nice. Alright. Like, I don't know where that came from, but right. I guess we'll see. Unboxing video. I don't see any screws missing where you see screws, so maybe it just happened to fall while they were. Alright, they're warming up. Pretty easy. They already got them set for 200. You just click one to go to the Fahrenheit, top or upper, lower. Not sure what this one is. I'll have to look at the manual. Got a timer. That's probably what that is the timer. Yep. 10-second.
That's pretty cool.
Nice. The Rosineer Presso. Ooh, even beeps for you when your timer is done. There you are. Bud. Hell yeah. Nice little press here. Personal press. Super like affordable for a house press. Under $300, $250 on their website. Y'all should go check this out. Stay medicated, stay motivated. Your friendly neighborhood stoner, Fat fucking Rob.